Today guys, we're on residential Espunia, just outside of Tartana. So guys, this is the house in question. Give you a little look, but I'm going to do the perimeter of this property first. So you got a few steps up. This is the front door leading to the house itself. And I'm just going to walk around here. So you have got off-road parking here. This leads to the garden area, and as you can see in front, you have outside dining. You have a pergola that has an awning to go across, and you have your barbecue area. Just here you have your lounge area with your pool, and you have a pathway that wraps around the whole villa. So give you quite a nice look around here now. So I'm just showing you the other angle of the garden here. It's quite a large garden. You have got stairs upstairs, a spiral staircase, which we'll have a look in a moment. And then we come back down and walk around to the front of the house and come in the front of the house. Different angle guys of the garden. You've got your washing line here. You've got your spiral staircase just there up in to the room above, and you got your conservatory. So we'll have a look around there in a moment. So I'm going to walk up the staircase guys, and I'll see you at the top of the stairs. Just at the top of the stairs here, you got a walkway and a little bit of a wraparound terrace. So let's go and have a look there. So guys, you have a lovely wraparound terrace here, so you can put some rattan furniture up here or anything like that, and just relax and enjoy the sunshine. So the doorway's here, it's all lit up as well. So I'm just going to walk in here and have a look at the bedroom. So as you can see, there's a ceiling light and fan above. You've got a radiator here as well. Good sized bedroom with a double bed with plenty of switches and sockets. And you have two very large double wardrobes here with sliding doors as well. Just over there you have your ensuite, so we'll have a look at there now. So just in here is your ensuite. You have a glass sliding screen, very clear glass sliding screen, and you have your shower. You've got a frosted glass window there and your WC. On the other end of the room, you have got some hooks to hold your towels. You've got a radiator, and you've got your sink and pedestal there. Got a nice little mirror there with spotlights on. That's all etched with a beautiful swan. So coming back out, this is a good room really if you have friends or family over. And I just wanted to show you, just there, you have got TV points and a socket there as well. So if you wanted to have a television up there, you could do so. You have a nice little area here. A little bistro table and chairs, and have your rattan furniture on the other end as well. Beautiful views of the mountains, absolutely lovely. Now I'll take you downstairs and we'll go around the main house itself. And even if you had rattan furniture sitting here, your view is those beautiful lemon trees just in front with the mountain views behind. Absolutely lovely. So I've come down the stairs, guys, and as promised I'm going to go around the front of the house. You have got a water point there, and the conservatory there has all the glass curtains in. So we go around to the front of the house and walk in as you would through the front door. As you can see, it's very open plan there with an open plan kitchen and huge living room, really beautiful. And just out here, as you can see, there's fly screens on the door, insect screens I mean, on the door here. And this is coming out into the conservatory area where you can sit and enjoy a glass of wine or read a nice book. And that looks over the pool as well. So really very nice. So let's go back in and see the rest of the house. Pan around for you again, just get another feel for the room. Off top units there and base units, integrated oven, an electric hob and a hood extractor fan. You've also got a very large fridge freezer here. Give you a good look at that hob there. And you've got your sink and drainer, and you've got more cupboards on the side here. And of course this leads out into the garden area. So we're coming back in through the kitchenway, give you a feel for the room again. Nice, large, spacious living room, and you've got that beautiful conservatory with the glass curtains over there as well, so you can sit with families and friends. You've also got an intercom here on the doorway. It's all fully central heating throughout with these beautiful terracotta tiles. And I'm going to take you through now into the bathrooms and the bedrooms. So I'll go over and we'll have a look at the first shower room here. So nice large shower room with semi-frosted glass doors. Got your WC and your sink and pedestal. You've also got a lovely mirror lit up there with spotlights and nice little etching on the end there. You've also got your frosted glass window with your blackout blinds. Nice modern door as well. And you've got your switches with your shaving socket there as well. Now just in here is a double bedroom. It has 2 single beds in, but it will take a double bed. You've got your ceiling light and fan there as well. And you have your radiator under the window. This overlooks the pool, this bedroom. And if I just show you, this is a large double wardrobe with sliding doors. Okay. And let me leave this room in. So let's go over here. We've got another bedroom just over here. And this is another good size, large double bedroom. It has his and her wardrobes in. Very large wardrobes with sliding doors. You've also got insect screens on your windows and your blackout blinds. You've got your radiator under your window and you've got a ceiling light and fan above. And again, you have this beautiful terracotta flooring throughout. So just in here you have a bathroom. It has a shower, rain head shower here, semi-frosted glass shower screen. You've got a bath there as well. You've got your sink and pedestal. You've got your radiator, all fully tiled from ceiling to floor with this lovely beading to break up the tiles, the plain tiles as well. You have a bidet and you have a WC there as well. You've also got your frosted glass window just there. Really very nice. And again, lovely mirrors with beautiful etching, some tulips on that. So let me take you into the next bedroom. So this is another good sized double bedroom. So we've got 4 bedrooms in total in this property. Insect screens throughout as well as radiators, ceiling light and fan, really beautifully decorated and very well maintained, this house as well. You've also got your large double wardrobe with your sliding doors. To share because somebody would just love this property.